Django 1.7 Google oauth2 token validation failure. I'm trying to get through the process of authenticating a Google token for accessing a user's calendar within a Django application. Although I followed several indications found on the web, I'm stuck with a 400 error code response to my callback function, bad request. Views.py. Models.py. I've downloaded the client_secrets.json file directly from the Google Dev Console. The specified client ID type in the Dev Console is Web Application, which I think is correct. What I've noticed is, if I remove the token validation code block, everything works correctly, flow and credentials get correctly stored in the database, and I'm allowed to read the calendar. What can I possibly be wrong with? Edit. I've also checked outgoing to Google and incoming to callback data. Outgoing. Incoming. Data is identical, at least to a print to console. Also, the generation/validation operations via console work correctly. sfutil.validate_token returns true, both with test and real data, including user model instances. I'm even more puzzled.
I have struggled exact the same issue for several hours, and I figured out the solution, of which at Ryan Spalding and at Hans Z answered. It works. This is due to the fact Django 1.7 returns a Unicode object for the state variable above using request.request. I was previously using Django 1.6, which used to return a string. One can find more detail here. This URL. I wrote this post for future reference.
It could be a Unicode issue with request.request state. Try putting str around it, str request.request state.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.